Hello everybody, welcome to today's segment. Today once again we'll be looking at moving around the worksheet. And moving around the worksheet, what is it all about? A workbook can contain 6 different types of worksheet. A worksheet is used to display different types of information in Excel, such as financial data or charts. Whenever you open a new workbook, it displays a worksheet. A worksheet is a rectangular grid of rows and columns used to enter data. It is the type of sheet you will use most often in Excel. There are various ways in moving around the worksheet. You can choose to use the keyboard, the mouse, the menu, and the name box to move around the worksheet. Okay, note, moving around the worksheet enables you to identify a cell. So the whole concept of moving around the worksheet is to enable you to know the identification of cells. So that is all about moving around the worksheet. You identifying the cell in what Excel or spreadsheet. Today we will also be looking at using the keyboard to move around the worksheet. Before we look at it practically, to do this, what you need to press after loading Excel, okay, as the procedure is there. Let me take you through the reading that we just do it. As the procedure is there, first press F5 from the keyboard, and then note the dialog box will display, okay, on the screen. Type your cell address. Example is AL55 and press enter. So for instance, I'm going to press the start button and type my Excel. So I'm here. So my worksheet will open nicely. So what I will do is that I'll just go ahead. I'll just go ahead and just press F5 on my keyboard. The dialog box will display. Then I'll type the cell address I would like to move to. So the cell address I would like to move to is AL55, and I'll press enter. You can see this is cell AL55. I hope you can see it here, AL55. Let's assume I want to move to cell XFD 109567. So you can see, remember I told you the column letters ends at XFD. So when I scroll, you see this is where it ends, the column letters. No cell appears again, XFD. So you can use, if I want to move to cell A1, I can press F5 again, and then I'll type what A1 and press enter, and I'm at cell A1. If I want to go to cell A300, I'll press F5 and I'll type cell A300 and press enter, and you can see this is cell A300. Okay, so this is how to move around the worksheet. The next thing we're looking at is using the name box to move around the worksheet. Okay, so click inside the name box, type your cell address, example IV200, and press enter. So let's look at that. So this is my name box here, okay, where we have the cell address displaying. That's my name box. So I'll just type them. I'll click inside and type IV200 and press enter. So this is cell IV200. You can see this is my 200, the column letters, the row numbers, and then the column letters IV, and then this is my cell IV200. If I want to move to cell K300, I'll click inside my name box and type K300 and press enter. You see I'm already at cell K300. So you can use either the keyboard or the name box to move around the worksheet. Okay, so as we now know how to use the name box to move around the worksheet, that is just that the next thing we're looking at is entering data. See you and catch you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.